Hi, this is Chris Chesley from vKernel, here to show you how to calculate your capacity availability in your Hyper-V environment. I'm going to assume that you have our Capacity Analyzer appliance installed, as well as the collector for VMM, so we can get all the information we use to make these calculations. The first step is to go ahead and click on Capacity Availability. Notice that on the left-hand side here, I have my entire cluster selected, so I'm looking at the availability of each of the individual hosts in there. So as you can see, what we do is we look at each individual host or cluster in the environment, look at how many virtual machines are running, in this case 3 on 2 and 4 on 1. I calculate what the average virtual machine is actually using for resources. Okay? In this case, it's using 1.6 gig of memory, 200 megahertz of CPU, 9.7 gig on disk. We then take a look at whether this is a failover cluster or not. If it is, we take that into account. We then determine how much resources are still left over on that host and cluster, and then how many of those average VMs can fit. In this case, I don't have any more room. I cannot fit any more VMs without going over the alert threshold that we have specified, and memory is my bottleneck. So if I added more memory to those hosts, I would then have more availability. And this is really a very important calculation. It will tell you which virtual hosts or which hosts have more capacity on them, where to place them initially, and you can also use it as a planning information on how to grow effectively and how many more virtual machines you can fit in your environment. Hope you found this useful. Thank you.